Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to display hidden apps on iPhone, which are already on iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments below this video. So friends, let us get started with you. And let's say that if you have previously hidden any of the apps on your iPhone, and you can't find it on your work screen. In my case, I hid Facebook, and if you swipe on my iPhone's work screen, you can't find that app. You can also find the app through search. To do this, you need to swipe on the screen. And in the search box, enter the app that you have previously hidden. In my case, it's Facebook. As you can see, this app does not appear. If you have the same situation, then now I will show you how you can put such an app back in place and display it. So, for this, friends, you will need to swipe to the very edge to the application library. To do that, swipe your iPhone's desktop screen from the right side to the left side until you see a window like this. And now, friends, swipe down and you can find a folder called Hidden at the bottom. Click on that. And as you can see, your Face ID will be scanned. After that, you will see the app that was previously hidden, in my case, Facebook. And in order to get that app out of the hidden folder, tap on it and hold it down. And now select the second option right here. As you can see, once again for this app, to get this app out of the hidden folder, you had to have your face scanned. After that, friends, go back, swipe down from the top of the screen. And now you can type the name of the previously hidden app into the search box. As you can see, now Facebook is showing up for me. And next, to bring it back to the desktop screen, you need to press and hold and pull up this app like this and set it to the place you like. To commit the change, just tap on the empty box on the screen. That's the way to do it. Friends, I hope this video helped you and was helpful. You were able to see how you can display hidden apps on iPhone on iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments. See you soon, friends.